The government has raised 139 billion shillings through the Trade Development Bank to clear pending bills owed to road contractors across the country. This brings the total amount raised through the securitization of 7 shillings per litre of fuel paid to the Road Maintenance Levy Fund to 314 billion shillings. Road and Transport Cabinet Secretary Davis Chirchir says only certified pending bills will be paid this Friday. Beginning tomorrow, the Kenya Roads Board expects to kickstart payment of pending bills owed to road contractors across the country after the government secured 139 billion shillings to finance road construction of various projects.
We'll start paying by the end of week next week. We will complete the 3 months, April to June, and that takes us to end of August.
This is the second trunque of financing the government has secured following the securitization of the Road Maintenance Levy Fund.
You don't need to visit any office. We pay all certificates totally to 33 billion that we have received to date. We'll pay another 19 billion for new commitments. So in the next week, we should be expensing up to 52 billion to pay you guys.
Under the first phase, the government leveraged the 7 shillings per litre fuel paid to the Road Maintenance Levy Fund to mobilize 175 billion shillings, enabling the settlement of pending bills for certified works.
The government has to invest to open up the country because investors cannot build those roads because we are just doing it for social good to open up the country.
Chirchir says the latest payments will cover eligible works from the last quarter of the 2025-2026 fiscal year and will commence tomorrow and be completed on Friday next week. Chirchir has directed engineers and technical officers to take full responsibility for the quality, cost and scope of road projects and road agencies to strengthen project preparation before procurement, particularly design development, site investigations and verification of quantities. Regina Manyara reporting for KBC Channel 1.